Good morning, children. How are you all? All are fine now? Very good. Take care of you. Don't go outside. Okay. Take the precautions. Okay. So we are struggling with the coronavirus now. Yeah. Better to escape from that. What is the good thing? Yeah. We wear the mask. Take the social distance. And again use the sanitizer. Okay. After each and 10-15 minutes, you have to wash your hands. Okay, so simple precautions now. If you follow it, we are stay away from the coronavirus. Okay, so we are going to the topic. Already I taught yesterday which topic? What I wear. Okay, what I wear? Yeah, I wore. We are wearing clothes. Is it correct or not? Yeah, yesterday I told about the story of the cloth, and again I given the different kinds of fibers with the examples, and I given the work to you. No? Yeah. So do it and you send that now. Very good, children. No? Don't waste your time. Send to the WhatsApp group. Okay. Then what is today's topic? Today we are learning about the how is cloth made. So what is the topic we are going to learn now? How is cloth made? How is cloth made? Okay, so many steps are there. Why? Now we are wearing the clothes, no? So how these so many steps are including by the making of the clothes. So what are that we will discuss. Then first one is cloth is made using different methods. So many methods are there. So what is that we are going to learn now. First one is spinning and weaving. So what is the first method? First step to make the cloth, first method is spinning. Spinning and weaving. Okay, spinning and weaving. Once listen, this is the new term, no children. Before you did not have this word. So this is the new term. So when you are getting the new terms, okay, then I will pronounce it, then you can learn. Okay, then when I am reading, you listen carefully. Spinning. So what is that word? Spinning. So what is the spelling of spinning? S-P-I-N-N-I-N-G. Spinning. Okay, next one more word here. So what is that? Weaving. What is the spelling of weaving? W-E-A-V-I-N-G. Weaving. So what is it? W-E-A-V-I-N-G. Weaving. So what is spinning and what is weaving? We will discuss now. So this is the first method to make a cloth. First step. Many steps are there, no? So first step is spinning and weaving. So what is spinning? Listen. Spinning is a process through which cotton balls are converted into yarn. Okay, not converted into thread. Okay, so what is the spinning? Listen carefully. Spinning is the process. It is the process through which cotton ball is converted into yarn. Yarn, a spindle. Yarn. Y-A-R-N. Yarn. Okay, do you know about cotton balls? Yeah. So, cotton is obtained from the, already in previous class I taught about the cotton. Okay, cotton is obtained from the cotton plant. Cotton plant. So, when you look the cotton plants, cotton flowers are there. Okay, so those are like a bow. That is called cotton ball. So, we will make cotton yarn, nothing but the thread. By using the cotton ball, we will prepare the yarn. That is called a spinning. Okay, the spinning is done by, look, means we can use the, before I said no, nowadays we are using the machines. Okay, but in the olden days, they are using the spinning wheel. Okay, charka. So with the help of the charka, they are preparing the yarn. Okay, so that is about the spinning. Spinning is the process. What is meant by spinning? Spinning is the process by cotton balls are making or converted into yarn. Spinning purpose, we can use the machines, otherwise loom, hands. With the help of hand also, we can make the cotton ball convert into the yarn by using the spinning wheel or charka. What is that word? Spinning wheel or charka. Okay, so that is about the spinning. Now, we will discuss about the weaving process. Weaving process. So, what is meant by weaving? Listen now. Weaving is a process by which two sets of thread are crossed together on a loom. This process converts the thread into fabric. Okay, listen now. So, weaving. We want to weave the cloths. For a weaving purpose, what we want? We want a thread. Where you prepare this thread? Thread bundle is called yarn, children. Okay. So, thread bundle is called yarn. So, by using thread, we can weave the clothes. Okay. So, when you observe the cloth, it have like these lines now. Horizontal lines are there. And the vertical lines, we can observe it. Okay, two threads, they are connected together. Okay, so like this, horizontal, when you observe, mostly we can observe this one in the cotton cloths. Why? Because you know, those are light and well ventilated. That is why, because of that reason, we are using the cotton cloths during summer season. Okay, well ventilated. Spaces are present between the each and every fiber. Okay, each and every thread, we can observe the means empty spaces are more in the when you compare to the cotton. Other clothes. Okay, other clothes. When you take the cotton, we can observe the horizontal thread and vertical thread. Okay, vertical lines and horizontally. Okay, so like that they weave the cloth. They weave the clothes by using the thread. Okay, so that is called a fabric. Nothing but a cloth, fabric. Okay, so for that purpose, they are using the loom. Loom. What is meant by loom? Loom is a machine where the clothes are weaving, where the clothes are made. Okay, so where the clothes are made by using a machine called that is called a loom. In the looms also, we have two kinds of looms. One is hand loom. One is hand loom. And the second one is power loom. Power loom. Okay, hand looms are run by hands. In that only there by using the hand, the clothes made. That is called hand loom. Power loom, in that only there. The loom which is run by using electricity. Using electricity, we are using the making of clothes purpose. We are using that loom that is called a power loom. Loom is a machine where the cloth is made. Remember the point carefully. So what is meant by loom? Loom is nothing but a machine where the cloth is made. Okay, where the cloth is made, that machine is called loom. Then how many types of looms are there? Two. What are that? Hand loom and power loom. Hand loom means the loom which is run by using hands. Then power loom, the loom which is run by using electricity, power. Okay, power or electricity, that is called a power loom. Okay, so this is the two process, spinning and weaving. Next step, next method is what? That is knitting. So, what is meant by knitting? Listen. So, what is the third method? First, second mark. And the third method is knitting. 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 So, what is meant by knitting? Listen. It is a process of making woolen clothes with the help of two needles. It can also be done using machines. Okay, you heard this word knitting, no? Yeah. While explaining where you heard this word, while I am explaining about I am growing up. That is the first lesson, no. So in that, in special hobbies, I taught about this word knitting. Okay. So with the help of what is that? Wool. Okay. Wool preparation. Wool. Okay. Making thread by using wool. That is called knitting. Okay. So knitting is the process making woolen clothes. Here we use the we are using the looms, no. Here also with the help of tool we can knit the cloth. We can use the we can make the woolen clothes with the help of the machine as well as by using the hands also. How they knit the clothes, no, means they are using the 2 needles. Okay, so like that they can knit the clothes. Preparation of wool thread purpose. Okay, woolen cloths purpose. Woolen cloths purpose they are using the 2 needles. Mostly in the sweaters, preparation of sweaters purpose. Sweaters we can made by the machine, and mothers also. Our mother is learning the many creative things, no. So most of the mothers they will use by using the 2 needles they prepare the woolen sweaters, no, woolen clothes. Okay, it can be done by using the machines also. Okay, but when we use the hand also we can prepare the woolen clothes. Okay, what is that process is called knitting. Knitting is the process making woolen clothes with the help of 2 needles. Hand means we can use the 2 needles. Then it can be done by using machines also. So that is about the steps involved in the making of the cloth. First one is spinning, second one is weaving, third one is knitting. Okay, so spinning means we can from the cotton ball we can prepare the thread, cotton thread, that is called yarn. Okay, so that is about the spinning using spinning wheel, cherka. Otherwise we can use the machine also. Then weaving. Weaving means preparing clothes by using looms, power loom and hand loom. Knitting. Knitting means what? Preparing the woolen clothes. Preparing the woolen cloths using 2 needles. Otherwise we can use the machines also. These are the steps involved in the making of cloth. Okay. Next, according to this topic, I give some questions to you. So write that. So what is that? Simple questions. Simple questions I am going to give to you. Okay. So first question. First question is, what is meant by spinning? Okay, what is meant by spinning? Already I told just now, no? Next, what is meant by weaving? So these are the 2 question and answers. What is meant by spinning and what is meant by weaving? Again, first one. Okay, so the loom which is run by using electricity. Okay, what is that loom? You should write. Next, the loom which is run by using hand. What is that? Right. Okay, I taught about the looms now. So these are the questions. Once again listen. What is meant by spinning? What is meant by weaving? The loom which is run by using electricity is called The loom which is run by using hand, called what? Okay. So that is the questions given to you according to the topic. Okay. So write the answers properly and send to the WhatsApp group. Okay. That's all for today, children. Take care of you. Bye bye.